Hello again. In the previous video, we dealt with printing a basic statement on the output screen. In this video, I'm going to teach you about constants, variables, data types, and keywords in C++. So, first of all, what are constants? Constants are the elements in the program whose values remain constant throughout the program. What are variables? Variables are the elements whose values are liable to change further as we iterate throughout the program. Now, what are data types? Data types specify the type of the variable it is. Like in the line number 7 over here, you can see int a tells that the variable a is of integer data type. Float b tells that variable b is of float data type or of decimal data type, and character char c tells that c is variable c is of character data type, which can store the address. We can store the value of a character, which can be a upper or lower case alphabet. All right, so now we have assigned, just to check the output, we have assigned 5 to a because it is an integer, and 2.6 which is a decimal value to b, and a single character. Do note, when we are assigning a character to a variable, you need to assign it with a single inverted comma. So this A is assigned to C, and now we are printing out using the cout statement. Now cout and extra insertion operator A, and then endl. The keyword endl is used to shift the cursor of the output screen in the output screen to the next line. So A, then in the next line B will be printed, and in the next line C will be printed. Let's check for the output. The output needs to be 5, 2.6 and capital letter A in the next lines respectively. And yes, we have got the desired output. Note that when you are assigning, you're giving some data type to a variable, do assign that data type only to that variable, that data type value only to that variable. If A is of integer data type, it has got a value 5, which is also an integer. Now here are some of the examples of C++ keywords, such as int, float, char, and double. Now what are C++ keywords? Keywords are the reserved words in C++ which cannot be used as a variable name or some other name in the program. Now int, float, char, double are used as data types and are some of the C++ keywords. Some more are if, else, else if. These are used in conditional statements. And we also have while over here, do while, and for, which are used in loops. So these were some of the keywords of C++. We do have more, which you will be getting to know in the further videos. So that's all with this video. I'll get back to you in the next video.